Will investing in the Tata AIA Life Guaranteed Return Insurance Plan help you meet your financial goals in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in. So before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are you have the flexibility to choose among three of its plan options, like option 1, endowment, which is the maturity benefit you get in lump sum, and option 2, regular income, which gives you income benefit for a defined period, and option 3, which is whole life income, where income benefits you get throughout your life. And also other features are guaranteed additions boost the lump sum amount under the endowment option. You have the option to cover your spouse under the whole life income option. You have optional riders which will enhance your cover, and there are premium paying term options like single pay, regular pay, or limited pay. And according to your requirement, a policy term can be chosen. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and some of the advantages are you have the flexibility in choosing your premium payment, and it offers you various modes of payment as well, and it gives you the option to receive your benefits either in a lump sum, regular income, or whole income. And if you keep paying all your premium, you will get a guaranteed regular income in the future, and you have the option to cover your spouse like joint life and a whole life income option. And the rider option with an additional cost will also enhance your coverage, and the loan can be availed on this policy after it acquires the surrender value, and the tax benefit as per the prevailing is also applicable. So these are some of the advantages of the policy. However, the disadvantages are the policy has a lock-in period of 2 years for loan and surrendering the policy. The income benefit is fixed throughout the benefit payout period and not adjusted to inflation. So this plan neither covers the life coverage adequately nor helps you to build a corpus. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video. To help us make a more informed decision, we are going to conduct the IRR of this policy, which is we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy. So suppose, let us assume for calculation purpose that a 35-year-old male is investing 1 lakh in this policy. We are going to see how this 1 lakh premium can differ the returns between both the options of endowment and also regular income. So as you can see from the tabular column, returns depicted there are 6.09% for the endowment option and also 5.58% for the regular income option. So in case of endowment plan option, that's the return for the entire policy term of 20 years. But in the case of regular income plan option, that's the entire policy term for 11 years, and it survives through the policy term and receives income benefits throughout the benefit payout period as well. So in conclusion, you can see that the IRR of both plan options does not provide you with an inflation beating return. And suppose if you choose to invest in whole life income option as well, you can see that from the tabular column itself, the IRR is 5.71%. So if the policyholder pays the premium for the entire policy term of 5 years and survives through the policy term and receives income benefits throughout the benefit payout period, the IRR will be 5.71%. So as it's clear, the IRR of all the plan options and the Tata under the Tata AIA policy is not an inflation beating return. So as an alternative to the Tata AIA policy, in this comparative analysis, we are going to see how we can invest our money in other alternative investments that can give us a better investment return. So if you're planning to go for a risk-free investment, you can choose PPF for the long term. But if you feel that your risk tolerance is higher, you can choose an equity mutual fund as a long-term investment option. So there are also a lot of other options available for sustainable investment in the long run. But here in this alternative scenario, let us explore these alternatives investment and compare their IRR with the Tata policy. So we are going to assume a combination of pure term insurance policy with either PPF or equity mutual fund to be taken into comparison. So let us assume that you invest in both in equity mutual fund and PPF with a similar cash flow. Like the total cash outflow is going to be 1 lakh. So we are going to use the same premium corpus for 1 lakh we had for the Tata policy, but we are going to use 12,000 as a pure term insurance premium. So the balance 88,000 rupees can be invested in either PPF or in equity mutual fund. So as you can see from the Tata AIA policy IRR and also the IRR depicted in the term insurance plus PPF or in equity mutual fund combinations, that here the IRR comes around for PPF plus term insurance combination it is 6.25%, whereas for the equity mutual fund combination it is 10.40%. So it is evident from this analysis between the other alternative investments and the plan options that none of the Tata policy is beneficial to the investor, whereas investment in the combination of pure term insurance with PPF or equity mutual fund gives you a better return on investment. So among the three options under the Tata policy, option 3, whole life income, claims to deliver a fixed income during your post-retirement period, but the fixed amount of cash flow throughout your life without being adjusted to inflation makes this option unattractive and not sustainable in the long run. Then what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Tata AIA life guaranteed return insurance plan worth it or not? So after our detailed analysis, we can see that the equity mutual fund and PPF along with the combination of pure term insurance can give you a better return compared to the Tata policy. So here the Tata policy plan claims to assist the policyholder in meeting significant milestones in their life, but the payout amount it gives out is fixed, which will not be sufficient to meet your financial goals as the years pass due to inflation. So it is clear that this policy does not give us a good long-term return, which neither makes it an adequate insurance cover nor makes it a good investment choice. So please be aware of insurance agents who try to force you into buying these kind of policies for their own high agent commission. So depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals, you can choose either the combination of equity mutual fund plus pure term insurance or the combination of PPF plus pure term insurance as your investment choice, as it is sustainable with better returns in the long run.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.